Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Pick a focused niche and publish 10-20 quality videos so the algorithm has data. Once done, enable two-step verification and verify your channel. Make a Google AdSense payment profile tied to your YouTube account. This lets earnings route to you in the Philippines. Then monitor your progress toward YouTube Partner Program thresholds. Aim for consistent uploads and watch time growth rather than viral guesswork. Once you hit momentum, double down on retention. Structure videos for the first 15-30 seconds to hook viewers, then deliver value. Make playlists and content clusters so viewers binge. Use shorts to feed subs while long-form builds watch hours. Track analytics daily for CTR, average view duration, and audience retention, then iterate. When thresholds are met, apply to the YouTube Partner Program, finish AdSense and identity verification, and enable monetization features, membership, merch, super chat, one by one. Complete monetization by activating ad types and supplementary features, and connect your payout method in AdSense so payments process to your Philippine account. Once ads are live, diversify. Pitch sponsors with a media kit, add affiliate links, and test merch or Patreon for recurring income. If your YPP application is rejected or revenue is low, check for policy strikes, re-review content for copyrighted material, appeal where valid, and boost watch time with clearer hooks and better thumbnails, then reapply.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.